And I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who happens to be a minister who was suffering with back pain and pain into his legs. And we just did his surgery yesterday. You had the Deuk laser disc repair. How do you feel today, sir?
I feel great. I really do. I was in a lot of pain before the surgery, and I really don't have any pain at all right now.
Wonderful. And your surgery was just yesterday. You've already been up walking around?
Yes, sir.
And how long did you have that pain in your back and legs for?
About 8-9 months, I'd say.
And prior to that, you were perfectly normal, or did you have pain on and off?
I had no pain in my back at all. I don't remember, maybe once in my life I ever had pain in my back. But I had this as a result of a car accident some years ago, about 3 years ago.
Understood.
Which did damage to my back too.
Yeah, and you could see in our video that we used the laser to clean out that herniated disc at L3-4 and get the pressure off the nerves so that your back and your legs would start feeling better. How do your legs feel today?
My legs feel great, and I can walk without limping.
That's great.
I was limping before, but yesterday I was limping, and today my legs are working fine. I'm not limping anymore. I'm really thankful for the pain being gone.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
My pleasure. Well, anything you want to say to your fans out there?
Well, I believe that Dr. Deuk certainly has a gift given to him by God. He's done a fine job, and everything he told me he was going to do, he did. And I really feel great now. I'd recommend him to anybody that has my problem.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing your thoughts
and
your sentiments.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you,
God
sir.
bless you.
Thank you,
Continue to use you for many years to come.
I hope so. Thank you.
Yes, sir.